Hi, my name's Dan Zambrano from Slate. We're based out of Wilsonville, Oregon. We're working currently right now with Belltech to design our suspension system. The dampeners are made by KW. The rest of the suspension kit is made by Belltech. Right here is our rear coilover, our front coilover, and all the brackets required for putting everything together. We not only are just doing a dampener coilover system, but we're making sure that all the inherent weaknesses of the twisting of the Sprinter van is taken care of. So we do have a subframe support to stiffen that up. We also have a rear cross-member support to stiffen up the rear, which attaches to our rear sway bar system. And then we have an upgraded front sway bar system as well. Here we have it showing on our current van right now. So here's the coilover setup, the sway bar, and then in the back over here we have the rear coilover. We have a lift kit that will go from anywhere from 1 inch to 3 inches. Currently we're at a 2-inch lift right now over factory. We have the rear sway bar. We got the stiffener for the coilover, and then we have a stiffener as well for the sway bar system. That all together works to make a very stable vehicle. Driving down the road, crosswinds, it's very solid around corners, very minimal, if any, sway detected, and just a great system. And it's fully adjustable again from 1 inch to 3 inches. We're also working with Wilwood. They've been in the brake system for 30 plus years. We've done a 15-inch rotor, which is currently going to put you somewhere around 34% improved braking over the factory. Here's the system as it sits on the vehicle right now. We got the 15-inch rotor. We do not require any spacers. We've got a 6-piston caliper. Here is an example of the difference in size. Here's the factory front rotor off of this van, and this is the 15-inch. In the back we have a 14-inch rotor with a 4-piston setup. And again, no spacers required. So if you have any questions, you can reach us at slatebuilt.com and we can help you out with any of the product.